Pretzels? Okay.
Thank you.
So strong gluten. So.
But the pre-ferment's not going to give any structure either, is it? The structure's going to come from your wheat dough. So you have all your wheat dough, 75% in a dough.
Because if you're kneading the dough longer, it's very easy to
stretch.
Yes. If you make a lot, you will die.
Oh. Yeah.
Let's play. I like to do the point one in the back.
Well, it's not that intense, no. The intense is the arm is bad. But if you then say why, when you get back because
yeah, it's really tough. Really tough dough. I think you can see him putting a lot of pressure on it. He's getting a workout.
It's good. Once the dough relax, it's get.
In Sweden, we can dreaming about.
Yeah, we don't have a strong flour in Sweden.
I mean, neither. I feel you, but I have the same.
The max we have 11.5%.
Yeah.
But I think the bakers make very well bread.
Yeah, we make good bread.
Even the flour is not so strong.
don't stay there for too long. I'm going to pick you away.
You have to go quite long.
It just already smells so amazing.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a bubbles inside.
Yeah.
Yes, you just need an espresso.
I'm not sure.
You need it longer. It's really tight dough, so you need it longer.
No, long dough. You see how long I have.
Yeah, I don't have room. This one is there.
Longer.
Longer?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Because it snaps back.
Yeah. See, yeah. Like this, left and right, and then twist.
I feel like I'm missing something.
You have to do a full twist.
Okay, guys. So here it is.
Just turn.
Like this.
Yeah. You have to.
I see.
One more round. Yeah, just go.
Flip it over. There you go.
I see now.
And
it evaded
press.
me.
Press. There you go.
It evaded me.
Yep, you got it.
God.
It only takes once.
Oh my god, I think it's a perfect pretzel.
Yes, we can. But I wonder.
Yeehaw!
I wonder.
This is not for pretzel. What's the difference between...
This is a cooler. So how long is he going to leave it in there, do you know?
Until tomorrow.
Till tomorrow,
Yep.
okay.